it's me, Greg from Greg.
And don't forget, something happened to our other video.
Do not mention that. Okay, we're gonna have an unboxing.
Okay.
You just punched it and it fell. Why? You cheeky. What? Why is this so wiggly? Okay.
And now it's unboxing time again.
Okay.
It's empty. This is so wiggly. Watch this.
No. I do not hold the. Okay. We're opening it.
Unboxing time. Unboxing time. Unboxing
You're gonna
time.
get slime in the face again. Okay.
No, I don't.
Because you said it in the last video.
Yes.
In the last video, check it on my YouTube channel.
Actually, I was going to say clay.
And this clay, multicolored clay,
I was
buy that GLB supply trading, choo-choo, blah, blah, blah.
I was going to say I would be clayed in the face.
Yes, that's what you said. And me too.
Yes, so open it so that I can be clayed in my face.
Okay. Time for you to watch this. Okay.
Ready, steady.
Time to
Clay.
we're gonna spread this.
Can I call it?
Okay, Kai. Look at. Okay. Look and
Clay.
and put it on mine now. Now me. Okay, no. Okay, scratch it. Bigger.
Asa ka di ka na na?
Isa nakuha na. Okay. And then don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay.
Nandun, alaka oh, your followers will see you. You just get that without
And
permission.
do this.
Yes. So,
As I said,
so
you will
Come
get
here na,
the
London.
in your face.
Come here na.
So,
Come here,
okay,
Sa. I will.
later, just go to the monkey first. Okay, I'm gonna get slime clayed in my face all by myself. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And maybe Kaika's YouTube channel. Okay, bye everybody.